other than to follow in the footsteps of the Lord in having that secluded place for Him alone. Isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit ako umaakyat ng bundok ay para makita yung buhay ng normal na Pilipino, makita yung mga realidad ng buhay. The life we live in the cities is so privileged, and we sometimes, whether wittingly or unwittingly, we tend to neglect the people who live different lives. So, I hike, go up the mountains. With the irony of it all, I go up to remain grounded.